What's up, KidCity?
Today we're making a slime surprise egg! Woo! Woo! We're gonna pour the slime over the egg, and in the egg is 10 toys under $2.
$2?
Yeah, $2!
Oh my goodness, $2 poop.
Let's get started. First, we gotta pour in the glue. Over here, heavy. My assistant is Mom City.
Here it comes. Be careful.
Here it comes.
Oh no, I don't know. Pour it all out. Let's go over here. Let's go over. Okay. Next, we add the baking soda.
Sprinkle it around.
No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet, not
Say
yet.
Ava, can you say contact solution?
Now we're gonna add the contact solution.
2 cups.
Talking solution.
Contact.
Let's mix it.
There you go.
It's time to add the food coloring.
Oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Let's keep on stirring to make it green.
Okay.
It's thick. It looks like original slime, but thick. Air bubbles are in here. Pop air bubbles.
It looks like grody snot.
It's not my snot. This is good.
This is good.
What? It's sticking.
It's sticking.
What? Feels like slime. Real slime. On my hand.
Smell like books.
This is our slime. It's heavy when you try to pull it apart.
You know, it looks like throw up.
I know.
Just get out of my hands.
I got it. Slime.
All right, guys.
Still a little wet.
Try to pick it up.
I'm gonna slide it under.
Yay! It's slime land.
It looks more like swamp.
Volcano.
Looks like a, yeah. Let's cover it all up.
Cover
We're not
it.
tearing it yet. We're not tearing it yet.
Cover it.
I pictured it a little smoother than this.
Oh, it's falling.
It's like slapping a baby's bottom.
Oh no, it came off.
Oh, let's try to cover it up completely.
Oh no, it's coming off. Don't want to see it.
Like this, like this. There we go.
Yay!
There we go.
It's a bubble.
Good old slime surprise. Oh, there we go.
It's opened.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it opened. Okay, let's pull it open. Oh, yuck. Yuck.
Let's play in slime. Let's see what's inside our slime surprise egg. Before we get started, hit that like button and remember to subscribe to KidCity.
Toy number 1, what is it?
It's a mission.
It's a lizard.
Finisher.
This is a stretchy caterpillar. Y'all want to stretch it? Ava, pull on it.
What?
Oh.
Not that stretchy.
Ow! Did that hurt?
What in the water?
What in the world? His eyes.
Toy number 2. Slinky Jr. Mr. Slinky. Whoa! Boing.
Oh, she buried him.
He went bye-bye.
He went bye-bye. Where is he?
he?
Oh, that's his tag.
See if you can find him.
I guess.
He's slimy.
Oh, he's perfectly okay.
I can only do this. Boing, boing.
Ava, you want to check out the Slinky?
Yeah.
All right, toy number 3. What is it?
It is a Wacky Wally. What?
Are you burying the
sticky.
Slinky?
Yeah.
It's sticky.
What's sticky?
This. Look.
I want to hold
It is sticky. Watch this. Let's put him right here. And watch him walk down. Oh,
Fell off.
Let's throw up.
oh, she's gonna bury it too. Bye-bye, Wally. She's gonna bury everything.
There's the caterpillar.
All right, toy number 4.
There's 2 of these.
Okay. What are they?
They are finger eyes.
Finger
Put
eyes.
them on your fingers. They talky.
Ma.
Ow!
Where'd the Slinky go?
Hello? Who's there? Is it Mom City or not?
Where'd Wally go?
No.
Yuck.
Hello. My name is Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, who's this?
Our name is Poopy.
Poopy. That's the only word you know is poopy.
He really sticks. Watch. Oh.
Toy number 5.
Okay, I got something in my hands. It is
Ooh.
blue slime. This is flirt.
Flirt.
Flirt. When you put your hand in it, it's slime that farts. Let's open it. You get green, Ava.
Okay.
Don't take it out. Don't take it out. We're not gonna mix it. We're not gonna mix it. Oh, what? Was that you?
Yeah. That's just.
Oh!
You know what that sounds like?
What?
Sounds like a wet tooth. Y'all better check your britches.
It's actually this toy.
It's just. That sounds like Dad City trying to go to sleep at night.
Yeah.
I think this is 6. Look at this. Look, it's a cupcake smusher. Smusher. You wanna try it?
Yeah. I want.
Smush it all up. It's not. Don't eat it. It's just like a little stress ball. Y'all have stress in your life?
No.
You shouldn't. Toy number 7 is. I hope it still works. We're gonna see if toy number 7, this wind up cheapo dinosaur, can walk on the slime. You wanna wind him up? Nothing.
I want to try.
He likes dry ground. Look at this. She's already ripped this apart. What's the matter with you, girl? She took the icing off, just like in real life. She took the icing off. That's
go over this.
Oh, that's
Wow.
toy number 8.
How do you
Look, look.
You squeeze it.
Hard. There it is.
Hard.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Oh, you popped out of his eyeballs. This is a Creatology crazy creature. You squeeze him,
His eyes bug out.
and his eyes bug out.
Mr. Slinky, do you want to
He
go in
says-
the water?
What's the cup handle?
Moo,
Cup
moo, boop, boop, boop. We're gonna put Crazy Cow in the slime also.
Berry.
Toys 9 and 10 are Batman Mash'ems. Gooey Mash'ems. Ava? See what character you get.
Batman.
You got Batman.
You got Batman.
Woo!
Batman.
Slimy Batman?
Slimy Batman.
Oh, she's gonna bury Batman now. Who you gonna get?
Don't know yet.
The
The Joker!
But, make your turn, Ava.
I
I'm dead.
You watch Ava. When you squeeze him, watch him. Watch him. I want to show you how it works. When you squeeze him,
I am a mess up.
and you can pull them apart too.
I'm a squishy boy.
I'm a squishy boy.
Sure are.
My name is Mr. Skinny Man. Put him through here.
All right, so
Put him through here.
put him through here. He's working his way down.
Ow!
There you go. All right, now mix all these toys up in the slime, and we got toy slime.
Toy
Here you go.
slime. Oh! There's Wormy! Wormy!
Mix up the junk.
Slime.
Wormy wants to survive! Wormy!
Wormy.
Frantically. Ew,
Did you eat it?
He tried to take a bite of that cupcake.
Bye-bye. My name is Mr. Poopy Pants.
Mr. Poopy Pants.
There we go.
Bye,
3, 2. Comment below. Comment down below and tell us which slime you want us to make next. Like rainbow slime or metallic. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you can get notified.